Hey guys, welcome back to the garage. I'm the Dome. Today we're gonna do a little unboxing. I got the new suspension set up for the WRX. I got it from Airtekk over here, right over in Massapequa. This is the Stage 2 kit. Even though the box says Stage 1, it is a Stage 2 kit with the Stage 2 management. I'm gonna open this up, get it ready, take a look at all the components, and then next couple of videos we're gonna take apart WRX. We'll try to break it down front, rear, so this way the videos are a little bit easier to follow if you're trying to do it on your own. And then we'll do disassembly and we'll do reassembly. I'm going to build a bit of a, build the trunk out a little bit for the amplifier, for the management system, the tank, the air compressors. We'll try to make it look pretty good. So we'll go through all that too, in the coming videos. But for now, let's get this unboxed and let's go. All right, let's get these boxes open. All right, we'll start off. We got two of their new LED dual, I guess you can call it dual band pressure gauges. So this gives you pressure in two different lines. I got two, so I can monitor all four corners. So one will be front, left and right. One will be rear, left and right. Comes with everything in here. Gauge is real shallow. It's all plug and play. Comes with everything you need. Comes with two sensors, all the harnesses, everything's in there. So these are our gauges. We're going to mount them up in front of the car somewhere easy to see, so we can monitor all the pressures. I've got some airline. We got dual 444C bi-air compressors. Chrome ones come with the line fitted to them. Comes with filters, some of the fittings. Two of them in there. Okay. Next, we got the air tank in here, 5 gallon. Standard. If you've done any air setups, you know, pretty much the standard for the industry. Polished. This has got 4 ports on the front, none on the ends. They'll all be in the front. One on the bottom, of course, to drain your water out. In here we've got the management system. The box says Stage 1. This is really a Stage 2 kit. Comes with basically an amp wiring kit, but that's power wire and stuff for you to run to the back of the car for the compressors. Air dryer for the inlets on the tank. Want to get any air in there. Fittings for the tank to go to different lines. We got a solenoid, it's an 80 amp solenoid for under the hood. Here's the control panel. Seven switches. Airtekk Stage 2, nice positive switches. All plug and play, plugs right into the management brain. Switch should be in this box here. And there's the management, real nice looking piece. Green anodized, all your in and out ports, plug and play. Exhaust and inlet from your tank, exhaust and inlet, and then all your outputs for your different bags. Corners. Back up, put this aside. last box. This has the air struts in it. Decal. Everybody gives you a decal. Struts. These are the rears. All nicely made, heavy. Branded their brand bag. Got their branding on it. Nice, well made. Comes with the adjusters. Comes with the adjusters for the top. Different settings. Airline quick connects for the plastic hose, which on here will go in up here. That's a rear. Also comes with the wrenches to adjust the height. And the front bag. Again, nice piece. Got pillow ball, adjustable camber. Real well made, real heavy piece. Bag feels good, nice and heavy. On this one, the airlet's in on the bottom. Again, fully adjustable. We give you spots to mount your brake lines. Good looking piece. All right. Well, that's an unboxing. Well, my first unboxing. So from here, I'm gonna start taking the car apart. We'll get it ready, put these in, jack it up, get the wheels off, start taking some of the interior parts so we can get to the top of the rear struts, which are, if you know, are underneath the rear deck behind the rear seat. I pull most of the interior out anyway, so we can clean it. I got a cage to go in there, just a regular bolt-in cage, nothing crazy. And then I want to put some sound deadening down on the floor. So I'm going to get started on that. Got to get the car up in the air, get the wheels off, get it ready. Probably going to pull the fenders. I got some new ones coming. New hood, new bumpers, all out the body shop getting painted. So I'll probably pull the fenders off just to make it a little easier for you guys to see while I'm working in there. But other than that, let me get started. Like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, tell your friends. Go to my Instagram page. Instagram, the Dome is here. Dome Detailing on Instagram, Dome Detailing on Facebook. Give me a follow. Stay tuned for some more videos. See you soon.